as you can see, ang mga sinusuot ko na, ang mga suot na damit ng mga kids natin ngayon ay galing sa Zoe V General Merchandise. Okay, they're located in Camaliran East, Urdaneta City, Pangasinan. Okay, if you want to contact them, they offer factory price t-shirts, polo shirts, long sleeves, school office uniforms, athletic wears, and campaign materials. So you can contact them at 075-513-7105. Again, Zoe V General Merchandise.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the Zoe V General Merchandise is duly registered in the Department of Trade and Industry with a certificate number of 015-75645. And our mission is to produce quality, durable, and affordable products such as
T-shirts, collar shirts, long sleeves, school and office uniforms, athletic wears, and campaign materials. So if you want to have quality materials, you can contact us again at 075-513-7105. So you can order now. Pwede na kayo mag-order. Siyempre, papunta sa itong pasuhan, di ba? So, Miss Beverly, any more informations para sa ating mga bisita ngayon?
Yes, thank you so much, Ms. Tay. But allow me please to announce to you that we have actually offering a factory price. Alright, and we are currently located at Camaliran East or the City with telephone number 513-7105.
Okay, Miss Debs, sino ba yung pwede nilang i-contact dito?
Actually, later, siguro, introduce natin yung mga kasama natin dito one by one. If Ms. Karen Ero will allow us to introduce to you our managers and the people behind this product.
Yeah, if ever that they're interested to like order para sa mga events nila sa school or programs or something, sino yung pinakatatawagan nila dito?
Actually,
Hindi makakausap ka nila.
yung nabanggit ko talaga number 51709, we can actually look for Mr. Dong Bauer. Forward, Mr. and Mrs. Bauer. Mr. and Mrs. Noel Eru. Parents, of course, for the birthday celebrator. Maria. And we also have Mr. Odell, Mr. and Mrs. Odell Eru. We also have Vanessa tonight. Yes. Mr. and Mrs. Carlo Canales. And of course, yours truly, Mr. and Mrs. Ricky Ramiro. Next na somebody. Yeah, Mr. and Mrs. Julius Yu.
Okay, so the mga na-mention niyo po ng mga persons, they will be able to contact them at any time.
Anytime.
Order.
24/7.
24/7 talaga, di ba? Okay, so, saan niyo ba nakuha yung name na Zoe V?
If you can still remember, King, we have this one Sunday, meron tayong series about the colors of Christmas. And it was derived from the color green. Zoe V, Zoe kind of light.
Yeah, so it means life. Ibig sabihin, pag sinabi ng clothing line mo, di ba? Parang, meron ka ng life. Meron kayo? Okay, so we would like to encourage you to contact them. If you can visit their place at Camaliran East or Urdaneta City. If you're interested to order para sa mga events and programs na meron kayo, just feel free to visit their office at Camaliran or even contact them again at 075-513-7105 and you can contact and you can look for Mr. Dong Bauer.
Yes.
Yeah. And kung nakikita niyo po, napakaganda ng mga suot nila. Very colorful. Ika full of life.
Yes.
So
vibrant.
Ayan, so, ito naman, this is not just for kids, right?
Yes. Colors and sizes from the different variety. Alright?
kahit na sa mga adults, more adults, parang
Pwede sa mga events, pwede gumawa namin yung mga athletic wear. Di ba kaya summer, may mga basketball.
Oo. Liga, no? So,
Ikaw din, pwede ka rin magpagawa ng mga event. Ito na yung future. Pwede partner na yan.
okay.
Okay.
May school na ako. Okay. So if you can see, you can wear this shirts and polo and lahat. Kumbaga, yung mga products nila pwede yung isuot fashionably, right?
Actually, gusto nga namin yung grupo, gusto nga namin gumawa ng ano eh, ng slogan namin na you can have your 2-minute shirt, new shirt, we can take it longer with you.
Wow. So they learn how to do a shirt.
In 5 minutes is meron kayo something design or if you want to start to access
Customize.
we can make your own t-shirt in just 5 minutes.
So is this clothing line
And by the way, we scheduled na also meeting Mr. and Mrs. Alex Latella. They've been a part of this product business company also. They're one of our consultants.
And also we would like to thank the parents of the birthday girl for allowing this event na dito i-launch ang Zoe B. Okay, so yung question ko kanina na Miss Beth, mura lang ba dito? Affordable? Maganda ba yung presyo niya? Comparing from other business establishments na meron ba dito?
Definitely Miss Kate kasi itong company is offering a factory price. And aside from durability, we're actually producing a affordable, durable, and of course, quality products talaga.
Okay, good quality. So, yan po mga kaibigan, if you're interested, you can again, just talk to them or contact them or visit their place and order one of your pangangailangan when it comes to clothes and even office uniforms, school uniforms, you can come to them and they will provide for you quality products.
And ladies and gentlemen, we're actually looking forward to be your partner in establishing a stronger foundation with your entire endeavor in the books. So, what about a round of applause again to the Zoe Feed Kids?
Yes! Wala pa kami natin ang mga models natin for tonight.
Thank you so much.
Okay, syempre, kung nakakita tayo ng mga batang model, dapat makakita din tayo ng mga models na medyo mas
Bagets.
I can't find the right
Yeah, dito na lang siguro kayo na. We would like